This one you sent me, I still don't really know what to think about it. It was a Burger King PlayStation promotion, which apparently leaked the startup chime, potentially, for the upcoming PlayStation 5. You know, people are hungry for the PlayStation 5 content.
Yeah.
And what we have here is a glimpse via Burger King. What a strange place to get your next leak. But apparently they're working on a promotion together. I think they're going to give away some PlayStation 5s.
Oh, okay.
As some sort of collaboration. But we have this video clip which emerged of, well, what is that guy? The King?
Yeah.
He's the King. And he opens the Burger King bag, but it's about the size of a PlayStation. And then every time he opens the paper bag, there's that little chime, that little tone, and people are speculating that's going to be your boot up chime on the PlayStation 5, which is a departure from the previous chime. It's a little different. What do you think about the chime?
I like it. It's warm.
Yeah, it is quite inviting, isn't it? Doom, 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 doom.
I've always liked the PlayStation, like,
Yes.
ambient sound.
Yes.
It's very calming.
Almost nature inspired or something like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Boom, 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 boom. That's the new one. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
Bum, 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 bum.
They just recorded your
You
voice.
know? So anyway, the King's got a plan here. They're giving it away as a prize. All the prize details are over on their website. They're going to be giving away some PlayStation 5. How does it go? First, hungry gamers need to register on the BK app or BK.com. If you purchase the 2 for $5 deal or make a $5 plus purchase, then the guest earns 1 game token. And the game token can play the digital scratch-off game in the BK app for a chance to win a PlayStation 5 console, PlayStation game codes, or BK coupons. So look at that. We get a little startup chime, and the people, they may get some, they may win a PlayStation.
Yeah.
If they eat the BK, if they eat the King's meals.